There is more controversy surrounding Amit Shah's public outings in Haryana. 10 years after he was sacked from the BJP amid an outcry over his criminal background, Don-turned-politician DP Yadav is now back on the party stage.
Yadav accompanied Shah to 3 places in Haryana on Monday to campaign for the BJP candidates ahead of elections. The move has triggered a fresh controversy, with opposition parties questioning BJP's move. We'll also now try and get in a reaction from Neelam Katara. Remember, DP Yadav's son has been convicted in her son's murder.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a very small person to say what the BJP is going to do. But right now, what I have read in the newspaper is that, and seen, is that he was sharing the stage in Haryana with the party president. So this obviously sends a very strange message, because DP, I mean, it's not about me or my son's case or his son. It is about DP Yadav's own background. I mean, as a B-class history sheeter, doesn't matter if the B-class history sheet, which even the police can't remove, has been whitewashed by another political party when he was with them. He's a B-class history sheeter at present in the Dehradun CBI. There's a case running against him, and he's sort of like the epitome of corruption and crime. And with all this talk about removing crime, criminalization of politics, or fighting corruption, I don't know where DP Yadav fits into the picture, and it's very strange. I hope the party will do a course correction and this will be a one-off thing, because in Haryana, what is the message the people will get with regard to honor killing is again another question. So we've been talking about Sabka Saath and Sabka Vikas. I'd only say that I don't think Sabka Saath would also mean that because if it's going to mean Saath of people like BJP, taking Saath of Vikas Yadav, of Mr. DP Yadav, I mean, if it is the BJP needing the Saath of DP Yadav, then I wonder which Vikas we are speaking about. So I don't know whether they are good days for the country or for DP Yadav, but it's a very sad day for the common person of this country who lives on because they have a faith in the system and in the judiciary.
सोचना है जो ऐसी बातें करते हैं उनको अपनी अंतरात्मा से सोचना है कि यहाँ पर किस किस्म के लोग आएं और कैसे चुनाव में लोग चुने।
अब वो एक रूलिंग पार्टी के राष्ट्राध्यक्ष हैं, जो सोहबत उनको पसंद है उसी में वो खुश रहते हैं. We cannot advise the president of the BJP what company he keeps. It's for you to judge. And also, who is the person against whom there are serious charges, criminal charges? Because if all of them are in the same situation, so old saying that birds of the same feather flock together.
देखिए, मैं तो बीजेपी के बारे में पहले से ही कहता रहा हूं कि बीजेपी एक ऐसी पार्टी है जो कहती कुछ है, करती कुछ है. डीपी यादव वही शख्स हैं जिनको एक बार पार्टी में शामिल करने की कोशिश की गई थी, और मुझे अच्छी तरीके से याद है 2004 के चुनाव का वक्त था, और उस वक्त जब डीपी यादव को पार्टी में शामिल करने की बात आई थी तो मैं उस वक्त पत्रकार था. मैंने लिखा था, यह है बीजेपी का चाल चरित्र और चेहरा, डीपी यादव क्या पार्टी में शामिल, और उसके अगले दिन डीपी यादव को पार्टी से बाहर कर दिया गया था. आज वही डीपी यादव पार्टी के प्लेटफॉर्म पर नजर आते हैं. तो ये साफ करता है कि बीजेपी चुनाव के समय कुछ दूसरी रणनीति अख्तियार करती, चुनाव के बाद कुछ दूसरी रणनीति अख्तियार करती है. और जब वो अमित शाह को बीजेपी का अध्यक्ष बना सकती है, तो डीपी यादव को पार्टी में शामिल करने में या मंच पर खड़ा करने में उनको क्यों किसी तरीके की कोई संकोच होगा.